Shaping the future is in our DNA. With Tebis Next 40, we envision a spaceship from the year 2065 that redefines the future of manufacturing. Follow its journey from the first concept to the final exhibit. With Phase 2 now underway, the students are already bringing the next ideas to life. In this industry, there's still no getting around clay modeling. Designers still have to master the craft of applying tape and be able to instruct the modelers. The goal is somehow make the whole object a bit more interesting and ensure that the result isn't just a shape, but also in some way something with a design. We actually started with a base, and it's made of this foam, which you can see here as well. We roughly shaped it and then left a 2 cm margin from our tape, so that we'd still have enough surface area to work with. Then we added clay and started roughly shaping the surfaces while keeping an eye on the proportions, measuring every now and then, adding more clay and removing some where necessary.
Los geht's natürlich mit dem Ton und dann.
Of course, you start with the clay, and when I begin to shape the first surfaces or volumes, I first use a coarse rasp like this one. Then you move on to these blades. It's looking pretty good here now. Everything is even and there is a clean edge running all around it. Once that step is finished, you switch to a finer blade without edges and use it to make the surface completely smooth again.
Solche Stellen wie hier, wo mehrere Linien oder Flächen.
Areas like this one where multiple lines or surfaces meet are particularly challenging. The less geometric the shapes are, the more difficult the work becomes. I also just learned that this is called a suitcase corner or a suitcase point. If two surfaces converge, you may want to create a specific angle radius or transition between them. The challenge is achieving exactly the shape you envision without unintentionally affecting the surrounding surfaces. It's surprisingly easy to alter areas that were already finished while refining those details. One example is the pair of forward-facing forks at the front of my design. While the angle is easy to define in a sketch, changes become difficult once built at full scale. That's why key decisions must be made early. At the same time, the project looks beyond traditional clay modeling and explores how manual craftsmanship can be combined more efficiently with digital technologies. In Tebis AG, the team found the partner that supports this approach and helps bridge the gap between physical modeling and digital development. With Zeiss IQS Germany's 3D scanning technology, we take the next step from physical concept to digital design, bringing the models into the Tebis engineering environment. One by one, the models take center stage for the Zeiss scanning process. Each design is prepared with great care, ensuring every detail is captured with precision.
Wir wurden gefragt von der Firma Tebis, ob wir nicht Lust haben auf ein gemeinsames.
The collaboration originated from a shared commitment to quality and precision, values that both Tebis and Zeiss strongly emphasize. Over the course of a day and a half at Pforzheim University, the team digitized 16 clay models using the high-resolution ATOS 5 3D scanner.
Hochauflösenden 3D-Scanner, den ATOS 5. So, wir haben jetzt unseren 3D-Scanner.
Multiple scans are captured from different angles to create a complete digital representation of each component. Multiple scans are captured from different angles to create a complete digital representation of each component. The result is a point cloud containing up to 12 million points, which is then processed into a polygon mesh. This produces a high-resolution STL model that serves as the foundation for the subsequent Tebis design and manufacturing processes. For several months, the students at Pforzheim University have been developing their concepts from the first sketches through the finished models. Now the project reaches an important milestone, the exhibition. What makes it particularly impressive is witnessing the transformation from a few lines on paper into fully realized shapes, concepts and objects. The exhibition showcases not only the final results, but also the creativity, dedication and hard work behind every project. The outcome is remarkable. Each model brings its own unique character and design quality. The only remaining question is, which one will ultimately come out on top? The final decision is still to come, and the winner will be revealed in the next episode. Stay tuned!